Dear students, good afternoon. Dear students, today we will read the chapter number 4, that is Introduction to GIMP. Okay, your fourth chapter name is Introduction to GIMP. So, here what is the learning objective of this chapter? Dear students, after the completion of this chapter, you will be able even to appreciate the objective of image editing tools, and you understand the GIMP window, and you learn to create open and save file, and you will be able to understand the use of foreground and background colors. Then you will be able to change the foreground background color and use various selection tools. You will be able to resize the image, crop the part of the image, and understand the concept of layers. So this is the learning objective of this chapter. So now dear students, we will start the just reading of this chapter. So here, introduction. Image editing generally consists of making smaller changes in the image and that do not change the composition of the original image. Dear students, this GIMP software, GIMP is a software which is open source software, okay, and this is just used to just editing the images, okay. This software is useful to just this is an image manipulation software, image editing software, okay. So like Photoshop. So here, image editing generally consists of making smaller changes in the image and do not change the composition of the original image. Means this software just change the or edit the image, not even to change the original image. It includes resizing, adjusting brightness, contrast, then changing color, editing, adding filters, etc. Okay, now next is image manipulation is an art of transforming an image. It involves making changes to the appearance of an image for the purpose like magazine, advertisement, book, etc. It also involves manipulations like removing red eyes, scars, or any other, and that is just shown on that pictures unwanted. We can also use the background of one image and combine it with some other object from another image. So next is image are everywhere on computer, okay. Near computer image is everywhere, such as photos on web page, icons, even font, which are collection of images of characters. Images are displayed on computer screen or an digital device as bitmap, okay. This consists of rectangular arrangement of small squares called pixels, okay. Pixels here, which are arranged in a row. Dear students, again I am telling you here, the consist of rectangular arrangement of small squares called pixels. Means pixels are the rectangular arrangement of small squares which are arranged in rows, okay. So here is images are not like what we see on the computer screen. Dear students, images are not like whatever we have seen on the computer screen. We can, when we magnify an image, we can see the pixels. When we magnify the image, when we just zoom it, then we can see the pixels. Every image has a resolution which is measured in the number of pixels. Means the resolution of the image is measured in the pixels, okay. If we want to measure the resolution of an image, then we just measure it in pixels, okay. So pixels per inch, higher the resolution, we can say more the number of pixels. If any image has the higher resolution, that means more number of pixels, and if the more pixels are more, then the clarity of the pictures is more. Dear students, which picture have more pixels, that pictures have the more clarity. Better is the quality of the image. Increasing resolution also increase the file size. If we increase the resolution of any picture, then it also increase the file size. Okay, even KB, okay, KBMB, like this. Okay, so here that is just showing you the picture key. In figure 1, normal picture is there. In a black and white picture, each pixel is either black or white. Okay, if we have a black and white picture, so in that picture color are only two, that is black and white. Okay, here picture is showing in the normal picture in figure 1, and in figure 2 magnified. Okay, then zoom is here 800 to see the pixels. If we want to see the pixel of any image, then we just magnify this image, then we can see the pixels. In here figure 3, it is also showing the pixels. Then activity is just showing here to you. Here is, that is, in the following grid, represent the first letter of your name by filling boxes with black color. Okay, here I'm just write down the name of my name, just fill here. K I'm writing here. You just write down your first letter name and complete this activity by yourself at your home. Okay, so next is, that is, here for colored image, pixels are represented by primary color, that is red, green and blue. Dear students, if we have a picture that is the colored picture, then only 3 colors, as we have seen many colors are there, but the main primary color that is red, green and blue. The combination of these 3 colors, after that the other colors are showing. So main 3 primary color, that is red, green, blue. So that's why we call this ki RGB value, RGB, red, green, blue. RGB mode, each pixel is represented by 3 values, the amount of red, green and blue. Okay, open an activities here. Open an image in any photo editing software and zoom it to see the pixels. So dear students, if you want to see the pixels of any image, then you just open that image in any photo editing software. GIMP is also there, even Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop is also there, many other software are also there. You just open that image and zoom it even to watch the pixel of that image. Okay, so now image can be saved in different format. Dear students, we can save the image in different format. And what are the file format of the image? Here the most common format are BMP, bitmap. Okay, we just the extension of this, that is BMP, but the name is, that is bitmap. JPG, joint photographic electronic grip, JPG image, then GIF, then PNG. Whatever is the format, the image will be displayed as a bitmap on the computer screen. Okay, dear students, here the whatever is the format, the image will be displayed as bitmap on the computer screen. Okay, image and whatever the format is there, but the image will be displayed on the screen as a bitmap. Okay, here you have activity, find out the different software available for image manipulation, out of which are open source. Okay, so open source, you write down the name of the open source software. Here I'm just writing one, that is GIMP. GIMP is also a open source software. Here students, introduction to GIMP is also again the full form of the GIMP, that is GNU Image Manipulation Program. The full form of GIMP is here GNU Image Manipulation Program. It is a free open source image editing software, and image editing may involve photo retouching, cropping, etc. GIMP can also be used as a simple paint program. The first version of GIMP that is 0.54 was released in 19 means 1996. It was written by Peter Mattis and Spencer Kimball. Later, GIMP 1.0 was version, that is the name of the version. 1.0 version was released in 1998. Then latest stable version of GIMP, that is 2.8, was released in 2012. So dear students, so by next week when we will meet by next week, then we will do the practical of this GIMP software. Okay, and in your syllabus, that is 6 chapters are there. Now we are just doing we start this chapter, that is the 4th chapter we will start today. We start the 4th chapter today, and 2 chapter that is left for your examinations, and in your syllabus up to 6 chapters are there. So now by this way you practice this, or even you just do the activities whatever I have just discussed here now. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.